Hello, glad to see you on my channel, where I crash my plasticine machines. I do crash tests, and I destroy my plasticine machines in many ways. In this video, I will break this Nissan GTR R35, which I myself molded from colored plasticine. This time, a tank will also participate in this crash test. I sculpted this car for only 3 days, so the quality of the car turned out to be low. Not like what I'm doing. I wanted to make a quick video for you and show you a new plasticine crash test. I made the body parts thin so that the damage looked more realistic. The model is detailed well. Now I will remove the plasticine hood and show what the engine of this car looks like. All this is done by hand, first molded from plasticine, and then painted. I also made a salon inside the car, dashboard, steering wheel, seats, all made from plasticine. Made on the table, such an impromptu training ground. Installed the car, and here's a tank. This Abrams is radio controlled. I will manage and crash into this Nissan GTR. On the front of the tank, installed such a block of plasticine for vehicle damage. The tank is heavy, therefore, I think that he will crush this plasticine machine very much. This is what happened the first collision in the plasticine machine. It wasn't very fast. Thought it would be stronger. Let's look at the damage up close and in more detail. Damage the front of the car. Small dent and a scratch on the hood of the car. The hood is damaged and the front fender too. Further along the body of the car, I do not observe any damage. Plasticine is very warm because the sun shines on it. Just reach out to him. How do you break it? We take off the hood, and we see the damage. The engine bogged down a bit. The collision was not bad, but I thought it would be better. Let's move on to the second encounter. Created a new block of plasticine, sharp triangular shape, so the damage to the car will be stronger. Now let's check it out. Now the damage is getting interesting. You look how much the car bent. The dents got stronger. The wheel is no longer round. It became oval because of the collision. Rack roof arched up. There was a big gap. Here's what it looks like from the side. When I removed the tank, and you can see the damage. The collision happened at this point, and the car received severe damage to the front. The encounter didn't go according to plan. I wanted to crash into the side door, but the tank went in the wrong direction. I will try again. Critical damage. You just look at it. It's incredible. Very severe damage to the car. The door bent very hard. Plasticine became even warmer because of the sun. It looked beautiful. I liked this collision. These are the damage to this plasticine car. As you can see from quite a lot, the car is almost all broken. Now it's time for the fun part of this video. I want to reset this car on the table from the height of the ceiling of my house. The car will fall on the table and get severely damaged. Let's see what happens. It was loud, and very severe damage to the front of the car. It looked beautiful. I liked how the car fell. The front end is very bent. The result was an imitation of a head-on collision of a car with a wall. It also turned out to be a loud fall from a height, and the damage was great too. The body of the car is no longer recognizable. A very strong deformation has occurred. From the side, because of the high roof, the car looks like a car from a cartoon. It looks funny. The back was flat and level like a wall. Since the car fell on the back, there are no body reliefs. The door was very bent, pulled the roof up. This is the most critical damage that can only be observed on a clay machine. Epic crash test. Recognizable parts of this Nissan GTR R35 are completely destroyed. Now it's hard to say what kind of car it is. Here is the crash test. I hope you liked it and enjoyed watching this video. I do all this for you. I create a car from Plasticine, and then I destroy it. We all played with cars as children, but we couldn't break them. They were very durable. Now all this is possible. I make such Plasticine toys for you, and I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel, support my work with likes and comments. Write what other Plasticine machines I can make. Thanks for watching my videos. I'm very glad that you like them. And at the end of the video, I will show you how I sculpted this car, gradually creating it from Plasticine step by step.